This is how to find LED lighting supplies products on Tracer by Trimble. Once you log into Trade Service Live, you now have the ability to search by keyword, by any of the fields listed, to drill down by commodity, by manufacturer, or you can click on generics to start searching on some of the generic items. To find all our products, click on manufacturer first, then go to the L to find LED lighting supply. Here you can click View All to see our entire product list or cycle through our categories. Let's get started by selecting a product type. Here we're looking at the search results page. We can customize our view by dragging and dropping the columns to the order we want them displayed. By clicking here to see a list of all available fields, and again, dragging and dropping to bring fields in that we want to see, and dragging fields out that we want to hide. We can refine our search results by the attributes listed on the left panel, including commodity and product name. You can expand and collapse this panel anytime. Also included on the search results page are icons indicating the documents available at the items level. Click on any of the icons to open the PDF, to view, print, or download. Now, let's go to the details product page to get more information on the item. Here on the product's details page, we can see all of the information for the item we just selected: item details, specifications for the item, and a long description, which is a combination of all of the attributes. This concludes our quick high-level overview of Tracer by Trimble. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you so much.